Hey guys, I'm going to be talking about protein pudding. It's a really simple thing to do, and I'll be showing it to you in this video. Alright, enjoy. Alright, so this is pretty easy. All you need to do is get your favorite protein powder. It works with pretty much any protein. This is the one I'm using. It's my current favorite. It's the Orgained plant-based creamy chocolate fudge protein. So 2 servings is, I'm going to use 2 servings, and 2 servings is 4 scoops, which is about 92 grams of protein powder, which gives about 42 grams of protein total. So here we go, using a scale to weigh out 92 grams of protein powder. A little bit too much. There we go. So it's extremely simple. All you do is you grab water and you slowly add water and stir it in until you have the consistency you want. So what I like to have is like a pudding consistency. So that's how much water I'll be adding. I'll be adding it until it's like a pudding, and that's why I call it protein pudding, because it comes out to like a pudding. So I just add a little bit of water, stir it around a bit, and it comes all together. It comes together pretty nicely. It's pretty thick now, but yeah, you know, a little bit more water just to make it a little more watery. That's probably enough. And there we go, just stir it in. There we go. And check that out. It's like pudding. Woo! Nice thick pudding. If you don't like it this thick, you can add even more water. But this is where I like to have it at. So next I'm gonna add some flaxseed, ground flaxseed. I store this in my freezer because it lasts longer. But you don't have to add flaxseed. It probably doesn't make it taste as good if you use flaxseed, but I do this because of its health properties. So I add about a tablespoon, which is about 7 grams of flax. Then I like to add some frozen fruit. I use this triple berry blend. I think it's pretty healthy, but you don't have to use berries. You can use mango. You can use any kind of frozen fruit works with this. Use frozen peaches. So I just put a bunch of berries in here. And then mix it all up. So I like to mix it in. That way it cools the protein pudding, and it makes it nice and cold. Like one little thing you can do is you can make this a little bit more watery, and then add like twice as much fruit as I just did. And what will happen is the pudding will start to become frozen because there's so much cold fruits inside. Okay, so I have it here in front of me. It's so thick that it doesn't really move when I turn it sideways. I'm just gonna have a bunch. Let me get a blue, looks like a cranberry here. So frozen cranberry and my protein pudding. It's nice and smooth, nice and thick, and it's pretty cheap to make this. I buy my frozen berries in bulk from Sam's Club, so it's really cheap. You can also find your frozen berries or frozen fruit at Costco, Walmart, Target, whatever. It's pretty cheap no matter where you go. And yeah. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you want to see more.